Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Circle, not the shape, Circle.so, S-O. So Circle.so is a platform that allows you to create and host online communities for your businesses, brand, and hobbies. It is a user it's a user-friendly tool that simplifies the process of setting up and managing an online community even if you have a little to no coding experience. Let's head to the website. So after entering your email, you will start your 14 days free trial. And let's start our 14 trials day. The platform is designed to be customizable, allowing you to tailor the community to your specific needs. You can create multiple discussions boards and various media types and manage member permissions. Circle.so also provides tools for members' engagement, such as polls, surveys, and events. You need your full name, the email, and the password. And you need to accept the terms and privacy policy. Sign up. What's the problem? No problem. One of the benefits of using Circle.so is its integrations capability. You can connect it with other tools such as Zapier, Stripe, and MailChimp to create more comprehensive community experience. Name your company. Madara. Community URL will be madara.circle.so. Make this private community, yes, just for me because this is just an account to show you how it works. Where are you in your journey? I don't have audience or communities, but plan to build one. What do you want to achieve with Circle? I want platform to help monetize. I don't currently sell products. Yes, I don't. How would you describe yourself and others? How much do you know about Circle? Not a lot. Yes, not a lot. Next, pick a community template. Basic. And finish. So overall, Circle.so is an excellent platform for anyone looking to create an online community. Its user-friendly interface, customization options, and integration capabilities makes it a top choice for businesses, organizations, or even individuals. And let's wait. Getting started, let's take a look inside Circle. Getting started, we have the checkup list, the basics, set up your spaces, set up a paywall, schedule your free demo. Schedule demo specialist in a 30-minute call. You will get a call with one of customer service. Remind me later. Set up a paywall, invite your first members, kickstart engagement, join your Circle community. Get your community started, you complete your profile, customize your branding, confirm community access. Here we have the home page. As I said, it's customizable. Get started. We have no notifications here. The inbox, the following, all notifications, the notification settings. And here the email or in-app or the website, the notification you receive. Let's turn off the email notifications and you click on save change. You can turn all notification off from here. And here we have the profile settings, the full name, the profile picture. Here you can upload your profile picture. We have the headline, the bio, the location, the time zone, make my email publicity visible, show my profile in the member directory. We have the website, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Prevent members from messaging me. Yes, because I don't have any members. So let's head back to home. Like we said, here we have courses. Introducing courses on Circle. You can take courses on videos. What's launching with courses and others. Here we have start, say hello, resources. You can create space, download the Android app, iOS app. You can add links. You can go live. And that's weird. Here we have the live chat option. You can search for help. So the first thing, let's check up the plans and subscriptions. And we are only on our 14 days trial, free trial. And we have special offers for new customers. Yes. We have here, let's pick the monthly settings to see the difference between each plan and the next one. Here we have the basic plan, the professional, the business, and the enterprise. These are the difference points. We have the community members, 100 for the basic, and other have unlimited members. The admins for the basic account can be 1, for the professional 3, for the business 5, and the enterprise 10. And the numbers goes up. It's like stairs. We have chat space, apps, and others. So things start to disappear for the basic plan. Here we have the settings. We already saw the settings, the profile settings, but not all of them. We have the onboarding settings, the general settings, the custom domain, the codes, snippet, weekly digits, home settings. You can enable or disable the home page. You can add colors, trending posts, and others. We have the workflow here, the paywall, the posts, the members, the live host a live event, the moderations, and let's go back to community. And that's it on this website. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.